Hey guys, so we very often have people wanting to know about estimating coverage, and we're just going to do a quick video here. We just happen to have a surface that's 12 inches by 12 inches, so we just are taking the opportunity to actually show you how much coverage you'll get from 1 ounce of glitter. So we've always told people that if you want total coverage, that you want to basically take 1 ounce of glitter per 1 square foot. So this right here is 12 inches by 12 inches, which is considered 1 square foot. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply some black paint, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab an ounce of silver glitter, and I'm going to put it over the top, and you can see what 1 ounce will do to 1 square foot. Okay, so I'm back with a 3/4 ounce jar or a 1 ounce jar, depending on what kind of glitter you're buying. I filled it up a little bit extra. It's really packed in there, so this is a full ounce. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the top, and you can see what kind of coverage you get with 1 ounce on a 1 square foot. But there you go. That's basically what an ounce per square foot will give you. If you didn't want to have any black showing through, a trick in order to make your glitter go a little bit further is to actually, in this case, since you're using silver glitter, you'd use gray paint or a silver paint, and then you put the silver on top. In this case, we happen to be using the black paint for another project, so we did silver on top of black, and it's kind of an interesting look, as you can see. But if you had actually put gray underneath it, you'd be pretty much just seeing silver at this point.